What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you week 12 of the portfolio update. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know this video is for entertainment purposes only, so I'll leave the full disclaimer in the description below. So there's 4 things I want to show you guys in this video, and first thing would be the Google spreadsheet, which you guys are currently seeing, and that's any money that I've added this past week, and then as well as the M1 portfolio value on what it currently is. And then the next thing would be the activities, which is any stocks that I've bought or I've sold, which I did sell one this past week, and then any dividends that we did receive for the portfolio. And then so we do have 3 declared dividend emails, so we'll check those out. Hopefully we get some dividend increases. So let's get started. So the first thing on the agenda is how much have we deposited into the portfolio last week. And that for us, we only deposited $200 on January 2nd, so that brings our total invested of $60,901.84 of the total amount of money that we've invested into that portfolio. This doesn't include dividends or capital appreciation, and that right there, those $200 that I deposited, that's trying to reach goal 3. So we're trying to reach $80,000 of money that we're investing into the portfolio, and I might actually end up starting to invest a lot more than $200 maybe in the following pay period. And yeah, so that's really all we did for this past week. Nothing much, just the $200. So let's go and show you the M1 portfolio value. So here's the portfolio value, and last time we checked it, we were at $82,109.81. And so now on January 5th, we're at $82,390.75, which is awesome because the portfolio grew in size. And as well, I did sell one stock, and I ended up selling about $1,000 worth of it. So you guys actually see at the very top over here, it's at $600 or so. I haven't invested all that amount of money back into the portfolio, so it's pretty awesome that the portfolio value actually still grew aside from me basically selling $1,000 worth of a stock. So I'm hoping that this portfolio will grow larger when I even invest the extra $600. So that's really cool. But yeah, let's actually look at the holdings and see how our stocks are doing. So I have the holdings here, guys, and basically I just have it over here filtered by the unrealized gains. And it looks like Apple, we're doing really good. We're at 81% of our return of the amount that we've invested. Same thing for Nvidia. It's about 65% of our money. We're getting that just in capital appreciation. This doesn't even include dividends. And then Microsoft, we're about 39%. Skyworks, 64%. And it looks really good on majority of these stocks that we own. And then there's Tesla. We're up at 143%, which is awesome. And my other portfolio, it's a little bit lower, but I do have a lot more shares of Tesla there. It's not just like 2 or 3 shares. I think I own about 63 shares, so we're doing really good over there in the other portfolio as well. But the total value over here on the portfolio, if I scroll all the way down, you guys can see that we're still up about 32%, 33% or so, and we're in the $20,000 worth in just capital appreciation, which is awesome. But let's go to the activities, and then we can show you what stock I sold. Okay, so the activities are filtered out from December the 30th of 2019 all the way till now. And if we start from the very bottom, these are mostly just dividends from December 30th, and you guys already saw that if in my previous video where I went over how many dividends we made for the month of December. So I'm kind of going to just skip these, but they're just Tapestry, Union Pacific, Broadcom, and LTC Properties paid us dividends for that month of December. And then on January 2nd, I did do a trading activity, which if we click on this, you will see that we did 8 buys of almost $10, and then 1 sell of $1,084.76. And so let's check out what we bought. So we bought $30 worth of Home Depot, $25 worth of Boeing, Bank of America, $30 of that, Cisco, $30 of that, and then $20 of Amazon, McDonald's, $20, Waste Management, $24, and then EPR Properties, $30.96. And then we sold Tapestry for $1,084.76. We were about 40% up on the stock, and then our dividend yield was about 7%. But I do want to pull up Seeking Alpha real quick, and they were paying $1.35 per year. And one of the things that concerned me was the 5-year growth rate. They haven't increased their dividend at all. And for me, since I have time on my side, I want to invest in companies that are growing their dividend. And to me, I just took advantage of the Tapestry when they went down very low to the $18 or so, and then we ended up gaining about 40% in value. And as well, we did get a couple dividends for the month or so, so it was good overall. Now we're gonna actually put the $300 that I've made just in capital appreciation back into the portfolio, into stocks that are going to start paying us dividends. So that's going to be really good. I'm pretty excited about it. And if we go back to the activities, let's look at the next thing we did here. So I did the deposit of $200, which you guys saw on the other spreadsheet. And then I did another buy here on January 3rd. And we ended up buying American Tower for $50. Northrop Grumman, we bought about $40 of that. American Waterworks, we bought $25 of that. And then Amazon, $40. Bank of America, $30. And then Waste Management, we bought $25 of that. EPR Properties, we bought $40. And then Air Products and Chemicals, we bought $50. LTC Properties, we bought $25 of that. And then Boeing, $35. I'm trying to grow my position a bit on Boeing, so we'll see how that goes. And then I bought $50 worth of Home Depot, and then $25 of Pfizer, and then $25 of Cisco, and then $20 of Constellation Brands, and then $25 of 3M. So that trading day was pretty busy, but what I really like about M1 Finance is that I'm able to just put an order in and that gets invested. And from Robinhood's side, when I actually try to buy something, I'll put like limits on it, and then I don't end up buying the stock because if it doesn't meet my limit, then I never purchase it, and then the next day or the following week it's higher up in value, and then I just missed out. So M1's really good about just throwing in my money, saying like, hey, I want to buy $20 worth of this stock. So it's really easy, hands off, and I'm always guaranteed to at least buy some portion of a company. Alright, so the next thing here on January 3rd, Kimberly-Clark paid us $1.17, so that's really good. We're already starting to get dividends for the month of January, and that really wraps up the activities for us, guys. So let's check out the declared dividends on our email. So we have 3 companies that declare dividends, and that's Johnson & Johnson, so let's click on that one first. Okay, so Johnson & Johnson declares 95 cents per share quarterly. And they didn't increase it this quarter, so that's fine. And then they'll be paying us on March 10th. And then the ex-dividend date for us is February 24th. So that's pretty good. Okay, so LTC Properties is the next one. Let's look at this. So LTC Properties declares 19 cents per share monthly. And they will be paying out January 31st, February 28th, and then March 31st. And then these are the ex-dividend dates for that company. And the last one here is Duke Energy. And actually, Gen X made a video of his 6 stock reveal, and it actually turned out to be Duke Energy. So he made a really good video. Check it out. I'll leave the link to the video in the description below, so check it out. Pretty awesome. And so let's check it out. So Duke Energy declares 94 cents per share quarterly, and they'll be paying us March 16th, and then the ex-dividend date's February 13th. So that's pretty good, and that actually wraps up the video. Be sure, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. It's totally free. And then as well, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. It helps a lot. And I'll be making a video on the total amount of dividends that I made for the year of 2019, which actually turns out to be the first year I started investing. So I'll see you guys in that video, and you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.